reason that Hot Springs National Park is so unique is how our thermal water is heated. It is not a volcanic process like you see on the West Coast. At Yellowstone, for example, if somebody falls off into the water, they dissolve away because the water is so acidic there. Here our pH is at 7, nice and neutral. And in fact, you can drink the water because it is not superheated.
There was a wide variety of ailments treated by the water. Mental problems, syphilis, alcoholism. The idea was you would bathe and consume the water while you were bathing and go through the physical therapy in the bathhouse, but you would also be out in nature. Baseball teams were coming here to boil out the alcoholic microbes that they had accumulated in the wintertime, exercising on the mountains, and then playing exhibition games in the afternoon. It was a holistic treatment for the players, just like it was for the other patients.
Since the inception of Hot Springs National Park, the federal mandate was that the water would be preserved so that it could be accessed by all people.
The government operated a free bathhouse for people that could prove that they were indigent. So if you had no money at all, you could still use the water.
We have a series of pipes that collect the water into a main collection line that actually runs at various jug fountains in the park for free, and folks drive up their car and collect thousands of gallons worth, it seems.
The pinnacle of bathing was 1947. There were over 1 million baths given in Hot Springs that year. But because of the advent of more modern medical technology, especially after World War II, that was the peak, and the precipitous decline began right after that. The very first bathhouse to close was the Fordyce in 1962. One bathhouse, the Buckstaff, has never shut down.
The water can make people feel better. Samuel Fordyce came here and built his bathhouse because he felt like he was cured.
You're cleaner, you've gotten fresh air, you've drank a lot of really clean water, you've gotten exercise in nature. So yeah, they went home feeling a lot better.
There are a lot of accounts of that happening. Lots of letters written home saying, I came to Hot Springs, I drank the water, I bathed in it, and I feel better.